how to stop procrastination is something that I've been trying to find out. Like, what do I do to stop it? And I have been trying to find an answer to that for such a long time. And a few days ago, I realized that there's a simple way to stop this, and that's to do it. Like, there's no easy way to do it. Like, there's not a single hack that can get you to do something. You just have to go and do it, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I didn't want to do this. Like, I was genuinely like, I did not, like, I would so much rather lay in my bed and scroll on Instagram Reels or TikTok or whatever and not do anything. But I went here because I have a dream to accomplish. By the 1st of July, I will be rich. Like, I know it. And my mom's birthday is this Sunday. And the best scenario would be if I could make some money off of this, in a few days, so I could buy her a gift. But the 1st of July is the day where I know I'm gonna accomplish something. And because I want to accomplish something and because I'm working towards something, I have to do this. I have to do this to accomplish something that I want to do. So if you have a dream, you have to do it. You have to follow it. And if you don't want to follow it, if you're like, no, I'm going to do it tomorrow, and you keep laying it off, and you know damn well that if you say you're going to do it tomorrow, you're not going to do it tomorrow. Because tomorrow you're going to say, oh, I'm going to do it, on Monday. And then on Monday you're going to say, I don't want to do it, I'm going to do it tomorrow. And then you're going to say, I'm going to do it the next day. But you're never going to do it. You're never going to get to it, and you're just going to keep procrastinating, and you're never going to do it, and your life is going to fade away, and you're never going to accomplish your dreams. Do it now. Stop watching this video and go do it now. What are you waiting for? There's not a single reason why you should not be doing. There's not a single reason why you should not be following your dreams right now and stopping procrastinating. I know it. Like, I know how it feels. Like, for so many times I said, oh, tomorrow it's gonna be different, and tomorrow I'm gonna do something. But it's not. It's not. You have to start today. You have to start right now. Otherwise, the time is gonna pass. And your time, like, you don't have unlimited time. And you might think, oh, I have unlimited time. I thought I had unlimited time since I started this 11 years ago. I started this when I was 4, now I'm 15. And for 11 years straight, I was not locked in because I always thought, oh, I can do it tomorrow. I can do it tomorrow. I was so inconsistent to the point where it was ridiculous. I had been putting it off and off and off and off, and now I'm at a point, and my dream was always I had to quit school. Like, I don't want to continue school after. I was telling myself that, all right, this summer is gonna be different. I'm not gonna be coming back to school after summer. I'm gonna drop out, and I'm not gonna be going there, and I'm not gonna be having to wake up such early in the morning. But you know what happened? Nothing changed. I stayed the same. But this time it's different, and you want to know why? Because I'm putting in the work. I'm putting in the work, and I have been, and I'm not putting it off. When I have to do something, I do it. I do it immediately. So one of the advices I can give you is just when you come home from school, I know you're tired. I know you're tired as fuck, but if you take time off, you're gonna love that time off. If you tell yourself, oh, I know it. I did it today. I came home from school, and I told myself, all right, in 30 minutes, I'm gonna start doing everything that I can. And then I laid down, and before I could even open Instagram, I realized I'm not gonna spend just 30 minutes. I'm gonna spend an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and I'm gonna end up putting it on tomorrow. But that's not what you wanna do. You wanna do it now. So I got up from bed and I cooked myself the first meal of the day, high protein meal. This is what I have to do to lose weight, to stay in a calorie deficit. I had cheated on the diet 2 days in a row. I cheated yesterday, I cheated the day before. And the best thing you can do after that is not starve yourself. The best thing you can do is just get on track, stop procrastinating, stop saying, oh, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. No, just do it now. Do it now. I went and I cooked myself the meal. Now while that was cooking, I put my clothes in the washer. That's also something that I've been putting off for a couple of days, but I did it now. I did it right now. And then after the meal was cooked, I ate my meal, and guess what I did? I went to this, I started doing this, I went to record this video, and after this, I'm gonna probably finish this in like an hour, 2 hours, and after that, I'm gonna have so much time to chill because I've already done everything that I wanted to, and it's gonna feel so amazing. And this is what it is with everything, like even going to the gym. Like, so many times I say, oh, I'm gonna go in like 3 hours, I'm gonna lay down, or like in 2 hours, I'm gonna lay down, I'm gonna chill for a bit, and then guess what happens? A lot of the times I skip the gym because I'm too tired. So what I can tell you is when you get home, do the things that you want to do immediately when you get home, and then you're gonna have the time to chill, and it's gonna feel so much better. Like when you're gonna chill and you're gonna lay down after you've done everything that you wanted for the day, it's gonna feel so much better than just straight going to it. And I know it's hard. I know it's hard that after you've had a hard day at school or a hard day at work, going to do more work, but it's gonna feel so great when you finally do it, because you have to put in this work to accomplish your dreams. You have to put in this work to accomplish what you want to accomplish. So there's one thing I can tell you to stop procrastination is to just do it. There's no easy way. There's no hacks. You just have to do it. That's it. And I know you can do it. All of us are gonna achieve our dreams. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're achieving right now. Like, I hope you are going to do it right now. There's no time to waste. No time to waste. Stop procrastinating. Do it right now. Just go. What is stopping you? Tell me one thing. And if there's something, oh, and your friend's like, oh, there is something stopping me, write it down in the comments. Write it down. Like this video, subscribe, go to my hero to support me, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.